Hi guys, here I am with part 2 of my Dubai Mall adventure. I trust that you have watched part 1 and you have liked it. I notice many of you have watched it. Here is part 2 of this video. Alright, I hope you will enjoy it. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, just hit that bell icon, okay? I hope you will like this part of the video as it takes you into a virtual trip at the Dubai Mall. One day you might just want to come and visit Dubai. It's a lovely place. So here is my virtual trip. All right. Ooh, this is lovely. This is above the Dubai Aquarium is below. Look at this. Wow. So this is above. Aquarium below. See, people are there. Drones taking photographs. Very huge aquarium. This is it. Petite patio. Lots of clothing store here. Everything you need. It's here, it's here, it's here. In droves. Emirates A380 experience. I remember getting into this many years ago. Airbus A380. You can go inside, pay and go inside of it. Alright, let me go here. Here is it. Part of the Dubai Aquarium. Taking you virtually with me. Look at that, look at that. Look at that over there. Business store front. Can you imagine? Mothercare. Look at the business store front. Beautiful. Some of the places, the mall. Dubai Ice Ring, Level G, Chinatown, Marks and Spencer. We're in both Arabic and English. Look at this view from above. Longines, Pandora, Hublot, Rolex. Okay. Look over there, baby jewels, Cold Stone, Creamery, food. That's food, clothes. All you ever need is all here. Everything. Bloomingdale's.
Excuse me. Magazine.
Oh. Right, much more fun here. Pylons, everything you need. Look at this. Don't let it miss you. Spider by Richard Orlinsky. Spider. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this beauty. How creative is this? Lighting all the way, all the way, all the way. Look at it. This is beautiful. Down there. Chanel Fashion Avenue section. Look at this gem. Beautiful design. Samurai, Valencia, Dior, RF, Montenegro, Repossi. Beautiful down there. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at the design. Let's look at this. Ooh. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Gentle monster. Oh, that's beautiful. My way to the Dubai fountain. Jamie Oliver. Come, people, go. Dubai Fountain this way. Oh, gee. Alright, I'm going now. If you want your tickets, you can buy them here for Burj Khalifa. Alright, look at all this hurricane grill. The MR properties. Look at that. And I'm gonna show you the famous Burj Khalifa. I need myself in the background. Okay, walk with me, walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. That's the famous Burj Khalifa. My head is all the way up to catch a glimpse of it. Look at it. You need to visit Dubai and get a taste of it. It's even to see it. That's it. Oh my word, what a spectacle. MR building, look at this one. Folks, it's lovely here. Karambe root, burgers and shake, black tap. Tired, but I'm still walking. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun here. See? Down, save some money and come to Dubai. Giving you more views. Taking as much as you can. Everything is immaculate here. Very immaculate. Clean. Well done. Pizza Hut. I'm gonna go this side now. Ice cream. Icy sips. It's a Dubai Mall. Huge. Very huge. I go this side. We have many restaurants along here. This one says Din Tai Fung. So here, closer view of the Burj Khalifa. Trust me, it's a spectacle. Okay, it's almost 4 in the evening. That's the lovely red, green and white and black flag of the UAE. may not be able to see it, but this is water flowing, 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 flowing. Listen to the sounds. Water from the top, flowing, flowing. All right, guys, this is the Burj Khalifa. Look, look, look. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me all the way to the top. Oops. All right, this is my meal for the day. Okay. Here we go. Noodles, spicy chicken, vegetables, and water. How much do you think it cost? Since I'm in Dubai, how many dirhams do you think it cost? Let me know. Alright, so this is the restaurant where I bought my food. Cajun Kelly's Grill. Oh, if you're in the kitchen, you say, okay. We have others, Dulce Green. Food is good, very good, very tasty. Chicken is spicy, well seasoned, not too salty, just okay. Look at this view, everybody. Okay, I'm on the second floor. It is beautiful. Alright friends, it's a long day. I'm heading towards home. So I'm leaving the mall. Mohammed Assad, Iman Kamkin, all of these, Ibrahim Sal. So I'm upstairs at Dubai Mall, and here is a snippet of the Burj Khalifa from this angle. Alright, and look at the road, beautiful. People are going home now. Heading home now from the Dubai Mall Financial Center.
محطة مستدامة طموحة لتوليد الطاقة الكهربائية في مجمع محمد بن راشد للطاقة الشمسية. تنتقل بها دبي في مجال الطاقة المستدامة لمرحلة جديدة حسب استراتيجية الدولة رئيس مجلس الوزراء حاكم دبي الله يحفظه ويسلمه. هذه الخطة الطموحة توصل دبي